This is day one of transforming my son's room. Say hi, Cohen. The problem is we don't have any money. What we do have is resourceful creativity.
There we go.
But I've been renovating and decorating homes for 6 years now, and I have a garage full of crap that I don't need.
We can sell or transform anything we have. Use the money that we get from the items to purchase anything in that room.
We're going to be using a planner that I just created. Do you and I have the same interior design style?
Yours is really ugly.
Cohen is a type 25, and I am a type 27.
First thing we gotta do is do the room assessment. Bed.
You don't have a bed. We gotta obtain it. In your perfect world, would you get new bedding?
But I don't know if I'd use it.
Maybe this is a chance to make your bed in the morning.
I'd like to get more artworks. Get some fake plants. I don't have to take care of
Because you'll kill them. Are you done?
I'm not tired yet, I was thinking.
Stay tuned because tomorrow I'm gonna show him what's the right way.
Oh, yeah. Beat me down, make me understand.